Hey, big news. Amazon has just changed their policies and they now allow us to put our affiliate links inside of emails, SMS text messages, and private messages. So, like in Facebook or DMs and Instagram. Whereas before, if we were putting those in there, we were not getting any credit for those sales. So, here's the deal. Let me show you the policy because there's a little bit of confusion around them. And there are some rules that we still need to follow when we're adding these links to emails, SMS text messages, or private messages. So let's take a look at what the policy actually says. So if you log into your Amazon affiliate account, just go to the program policies and then to the associate program participation requirements. That'll take you down to a section where you can look at promotional limitations. And I have this underlined here. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. It says right here, this did not used to be here. This is just as of March of 2024. You may include special links. So in this case, they say special links are the same thing as affiliate links. You may include special links in emails, SMS, and direct messaging from your social media sites, provided that such communications are solicited. That is, they're opted into by the receiving customer. So this is important because you need to be able to have permission to email them and they need to be able to unsubscribe. Now, if you're using any kind of email autoresponder, it will have this information for you. I'll show you in just a second. But that's not all it says. Let's scroll down just a little bit further here. I'll make this bigger again. It does say this: upon request, you will provide us with the representative sample materials and written certification that you have complied with the foregoing. So what that is a fancy way of saying that you have used the right kind of software that allows your subscriber to opt out at any time. Let me show you what this looks like. This is an example of a landing page with a opt-in form on that landing page. And you can see there's a place to put in their name, their email address, and their cell phone number for SMS text messaging. But here's the important part. There is a checkbox with a notification that says, yes, I want to receive text messages through SMS reminders. And you can see the checkbox there that allows them to opt out at any time. Now, here's a bit of advice, especially if you're thinking about just emailing everyone on your list. You cannot do this with a free account like Gmail or Hotmail. These free email platforms are not designed for sending mass emails to subscribers because they don't have the ability for people to unsubscribe. So if you end up doing that, you're going to not only violate Amazon's policies, but you're going to be violating the Can Spam Act, and that can get you in big trouble. So make sure you're using email software that records when people subscribe to something and then also when they subscribe to your text messaging. And that'll keep you safe and able to go ahead and boost your income by including Amazon affiliate links inside of your emails, your text messages, and your private messages now. I hope this video helped you. I'm Lisa Hanfileti, and I love giving tech tips, especially ones that are going to increase your earning. And if you learned something that you didn't know before about the Amazon affiliate program, you might want to go ahead and check out my other video because I give you 5 reasons why people get booted out of the Amazon affiliate program. Take a look.